English. It's everywhere, isn't it? From films to music, the internet to business, English connects us all. Speaking English fluently opens doors. You can work abroad, study in another country, and make friends from all over. Most importantly, fluency brings confidence. Imagine yourself talking easily with people from different cultures. Exciting, right? But how do you achieve this? How do you go from hesitant learner to confident speaker? Don't worry, it's completely achievable. Let me share some tips and tricks that helped me and countless others. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. With the right approach, you too can master English fluency. The key to fluency? It's simpler than you think. Immerse yourself in English. Listen to native speakers as much as possible. Watch English movies and TV shows. Don't worry too much about understanding every word. Focus on the overall meaning. Practice speaking every single day, even if it's just to yourself. Talk about your day, your thoughts, anything. Join conversation clubs or online communities. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. I remember when I first started learning English, I was so nervous to speak. I was afraid of making mistakes and sounding silly. One day I decided to just go for it. I joined an English conversation group and started chatting. To my surprise, everyone was very welcoming and encouraging. I made mistakes, of course, but that's okay. We learn from our mistakes. The important thing is to keep practicing. Slowly but surely, I began to feel more comfortable speaking English. Many learners get stuck focusing too much on grammar rules. While grammar is important, don't let it hold you back from speaking. Think about how you learned your first language. You didn't memorize grammar rules as a child, did you? You listened and repeated. You learned through experience. It's the same with English. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you speak, the more natural it will become. Focus on getting your message across, even if it's not grammatically perfect. Remember, fluency is about communication, not perfection.